The birds of South America. This is a boat-billed heron. It is actually the most primitive or basal heron. Think it turns, they are always acting weird. Only Philip has a better mustache. Scarlet ibis, one of the most strikingly red animals in the whole kingdom. Some scientists think that the scarlet ibis and the American white ibis should be united into one species. Saffron finch, not a true finch, but actually a tanager. Yellow-rumped cacique, you can tell these guys are intelligent. Thanks for watching. Please follow for more original animal content.